Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2014 Ram Outdoorsman Quad Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number B8726B. 92,000 miles in this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Granite Crystal Metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. This Ram seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat bottoms flip up, giving you a flat cargo surface with additional storage below. Power sliding rear window for extra ventilation. The Ram is very unique and is the only pickup truck to have rear coil spring suspension instead of leaf spring, giving you the best quality ride without sacrificing towing or hauling capacity. Locking tailgate, backup camera for additional safety, hitch and wiring, and that backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Flat floor on both sides, of course, with storage below. This Outdoorsman has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 8-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter and shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, heating and air conditioning, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Lots of storage space in the center console. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, transmitter for garage door opener, and power sliding window control. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7 liter HEMI V8, 395 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 65% tire tread left. For more information on this Ram, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.